So this is the final module on the male senator top, guys. I'm going to be teaching us the finishing part and how to also pipe the neck, guys. I want you to make sure you watch this to the end. Make sure you get it in details. If you've not bought our book, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide, please, guys, I want you to make sure you do so. It's very affordable and it's going to help you. Thanks and may God bless you.
Okay, guys. So now, as you can see, we are done. It's almost done. So let me teach us what to do on the neck. Before we pipe the neck, or before we cut what we are going to use to pipe the neck, there's something I want to teach us. Please, the neck is actually 17 inches, but I will want it to be up to 18 inches. Why? Because there is a secret here. If whatever your neck is, make sure you add extra 1 inch to it. Why? Because of this particular placket. Are you seeing there is extra 1 inch of this particular placket overlapping? Yes. Else it's going to be lesser. Do you understand? So I'm going to be measuring it now. Whatever we get now, I will now know whether it is enough or whether I will trim more. So let's measure it out, guys. So let's see. From here, you have to measure it out. Okay. Okay. So what do we have here? We have almost 18, but it's not up to 18. If you like, you can measure it again. But in this case, it is not exactly up to 18. We have to trim. You understand? There are different ways whereby you can trim. For me, I can also trim this way. Now look at it. I can also trim this way. Are you seeing it? By increasing it. There's another way of me also trimming, which is this way. Look at it. Place it like this and use your pin and hold it. Are you seeing it? Place it like this. Place it like this and use your pin and hold it. So when you are done, you can go ahead to increase it. Do you understand? You can go ahead to increase it just to make sure it reaches. Please, whatever you are doing, I will not want you to touch the back. Do you understand? I will not want you to touch the back. So let's recheck it again to see whether we have gotten our 18 inches. Okay, as you can see, we have gotten our 18 inches. So in that case, let's place it back again and cross check. Okay, are you seeing it? It's looking very fine. Now what I want you to do, if you look at this, you notice that both of them are not actually matching. You can go ahead to do a little bit of trimming. Are you seeing it? Now there's a little trimming I want to do here, so as to make sure that everything is going to relax on this particular dress. Okay, guys, are you seeing it here? Yes, it's looking better. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to prepare what we are going to use and pipe it. Do you understand? Okay, so let's prepare that, guys. Now look at it. When you want to prepare, you should always cut it in bias. Please, I don't have enough material, else my diagonal line should be more than this. Do you understand? So as to make it more stretchy. Now what do I mean by this? You guys normally know that whenever people want to cut a stripe for a piping, they just cut it straight like this. Are you seeing it? They cut out something straight like this. Are you seeing it? Which at the end of the day, now let me show you guys something. Which at the end of the day, it is like this. Look at it, as straight as like this. Now when you look at it like this, you notice that it is not stretching anywhere. But if you want to make it to be stretchy, because whenever you need a material to pipe, it must be stretchy. Now you have to place and mark out a diagonal line like this. Are you seeing it? You can make the diagonal like this, you can make it like, do you understand? So now anything you cut out diagonally, it's always stretchy. Do you understand? So that's why, as you can see, I've already marked out the diagonal line. So mark your first line. When you mark your first line, now use your first line and mark out 2 inches to 3 inches, depending on what you want, depending on how bold you want yours to be. Are you seeing it? 2 inches to 3 inches. Now look at it. Do it all the way down. Do you understand? You can use 2 inches, you can use 2.5, you can use 3. But for me, I would advise you to use 2.5. Do you guys understand? Okay. So now when you are done, next thing you need to do is to, now look at it. Next thing you need to do is to cut it out, guys. Okay, now look at it. When you cut it out, there's something I'm going to be showing you. Now look at it now. You notice that it is stretchy. Are you seeing it? It is very, very stretchy. So that is the essence. So the essence of it being stretchy is that, neck is a curved place. So that when you use it and go to any curved position, it will relax comfortably. So I'm going to be showing us how to prepare it. So guys, this is how to prepare it. You have to fold it. You have to fold it like this. Now look at it. Fold it like this. You can fold 1/2 inch, you understand, or you can fold 3/4, whatever you want to fold. But at the end of it, I'm going to show you the secrets Okay, first of all, fold it this way. Fold it this way. Take your time and fold it, guys. If you can also work with your hemming gum, use your hemming gum and fold it. Do you understand? Now look at what I mean, guys. I'm using hemming gum to fold it. Okay, guys, now we are done here. Next thing I want you to do is to do the same thing on the other side. As you are doing it on the other side, please make sure that both of them are corresponding. Are you seeing it? Whatever you do here, make sure that it will close up here. Are you seeing it? So let's do that, guys. Now there's something I really want to teach us. If this hemming gum is too big for you to work with, please, you can go ahead to reduce it, guys. So guys, look at what I'm doing. Are you seeing it? You fold it this way. Are you seeing it, guys? You fold it this way. This one that is me, you have to fold it, make sure it's touching towards that one. So this is what we are going to do. Are you seeing it? Okay, you keep folding it this way. Are you seeing it? You keep folding it this way. Keep folding it this way. Okay guys, when you are done, you see on this particular side, fold it like this and iron. Please, you can also use hemming gum to hold it. If here is excess, you can go ahead to cut out the excess part of it. Now use hemming gum and hold it firm. Then make sure you use iron to iron it. Do the same thing on the other side before we now do the final folding to make it ready for. Okay guys, now we are done folding it this way. Next thing I want you to do is to fold it this way. Please, here is very, very important. Look at it. Fold it this way, but don't fold it equal. Are you seeing it? Fold it so that this one will be remaining. Are you seeing it with like 1/4 inch? That is really what I want you to do. Look at it. That is what I'm going to be doing from the beginning to the ending part. So the next thing we are going to be doing now, it is not ready. The next thing we are going to be doing now is now use it and fix on the dress. So let's go to the ironing, the sewing machine. Let me show us how to fix it. Now look at it, guys. Are you seeing it? This is what I mean. So let's go and fix it. So guys, look at it. At the end of the day, this is the bias piping we have done. So what we need to do now is look at it. Place it here. Are you seeing it? So I'm going to be showing us how I'll be sewing it. Now, as you're placing like this, look, remember one side is longer. So that particular place is going to be staying at the wrong side. Look at it. That's why we do it like this. Are you seeing? So I'm going to be sewing at the tip here. As I sew and I extend it. Okay guys, look at it. Now that I've fixed it, so now look at it. I'll make sure I put this one under. Are you seeing it? I make sure I place it very well. Then this one will be coming over to this side. This is how I'll be doing it till I finish it. Now look at it, guys. Are you seeing it, guys? Okay, that's how we'll be doing it. Now look at what I'm going to be doing now. You seeing it? Fold it this way. Now look at it. Fold it this way. Now look at it, guys. Are you seeing it? So I'll be doing something like this. So let's go, guys. Okay guys, now I want you to see something. Now I'm done sewing on that particular side. Now look at the inside part. Are you seeing the reason why we had to make one longer? Yes, so as to make sure that as you are sewing in front is holding the back side. Okay, now look at it here.
As you can see, it's looking very nice. Are you seeing it? Now there's something else I want us to do, guys. I'm going to be top stitching on top of this. Let's do that. I'm going to be top stitching on top of it. Now for me to top stitch, there's something I usually like to do. Now look at it, guys. I like to start from this other former place, yes, before I go to the upper side. Okay, when I get to this point, then I now have to turn and continue. Okay, now look at it. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so final thing we need to do is to go to the ironing table and iron it out, guys, and we are ready to go. We are set. Now look at it, guys. It's looking very, very nice, fabulous and nice, perfect. Okay, are you seeing it? So when I go to the ironing table and iron it out, it's going to relax more than this. Do you understand? Okay, so that is what I'm going to let me iron it out. Hello guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching everything. As you can see, we are done with the senator and it's looking very, very nice. So guys, make sure you ask your question if you have any question. Make sure you watch other senator videos for clarification. Thanks and may God bless you.